Fine. Yeah, if Dada sees you like that, he's gonna get upset. Oh, you okay? Yeah. Dada's gonna get it. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Huh? Oh, he's not on there, see? No. Where's your box? Where's your box?
Mom, she has my name.
Oh. You got your box? You gonna climb on it?
Oh, it's Kelly Robin.
Careful. Paige. Careful. Careful. Yay! Good job. Okay, careful. Hey, be careful. Sissy. Sissy saw you. Be careful. Oh, good job. Careful. Yay! You did it. Good job. Again? Huh? You better be careful. Daddy will get you.
Why does everybody think I should have a party? 2017 doesn't
Yeah.
You're crazy. A party means presents, money, bling. If your dad had moved out 3 months ago, you wouldn't want a party either. Hey, you know that's not it.
Can we kiss?
I think we should do what you did for your 11th birthday party. We just got our nails
Oh.
The smell was so bad when I got sick.
Aw, thank you. You can go back on your box.
What?
Careful.
Wait, how did you know? She moved to Florida. Quicksters, hello.
Careful. Put your feet in the middle. Yay! Good job. And don't fall. Careful. Whoa. See? Careful. Yeah, careful. Oh, you gonna get down? All done? All done. Go get Sissy.